What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the XJB 145 Nazgul 3061 props. So we about to test these out on here. A little line of sight, maybe a little FPV, but these things have a pitch of 61 on them. So we're gonna see if these things are efficient or not. They look really crazy. All these waves and points on it and all. But let's get it in the air. Okay. I didn't do any additional tuning or anything. Hopefully you guys can see it. The sun is over to my right there. We're going to get on this side so we can see it a little more. Let's do a punch out. Oh, we're on a 3S battery. Forgot to mention that part. So this is a 3S. Let's look at another punch out. So really nice punch out. But this thing is a beast anyway. So they seem pretty responsive. Let's do a little FPV. So a little prop wash. Yeah, but it can be tuned out, I'm pretty sure. So let's bring it back over here. No problem recovering, doing maneuvers. Seems like a nice freestyle flying prop. So I don't know, we'll have to do a little more testing to see how efficient they are and all. Seems really nice though. Yeah, I would have to do some tuning, really. To tune out that prop wash. Takes off pretty quick with these though. I want to test these on 4S as well, but they seem really close to performance with the 3052s from Gemfan. Get a close-up of them. Sounds just about the same. I can't really tell if they're louder or not. So close in sound to the Gemfans. seems to spin them up really fast though. Bring it in. So I think the way that I fly though, I always get a ton of flight time with these batteries. I don't really hit high throttle a lot, only when I'm doing maneuvers. You got some of the buzzer there. Okay, so let's bring them in. So these props seem pretty responsive. A really nice punch out on them. I don't know if the punch out is more or less than the 3052s from Gym Fan, but they do seem way up there with it. When I do punch outs, I really can't tell the difference. So really close to the same performance as the Gym Fan 3052s. But I guess I'll have to test it on 4S, and we're gonna have to tune it to see how much of the prop washing we can tune out, and then I guess we can probably do a side-by-side comparison, and then I'll be able to tell more of which one is more quiet, and I guess we'll have to test the flight time to see which one is maybe more efficient and which one gets the longest flight time. But as for freestyle acro, it seems like this is a good prop for that. It's really responsive, spins up really fast, and you can pull out of maneuvers like really easy, really not much effort. But this thing is a beast though with these 1407, what is it, 3600 kV motors. So really powerful motors, and we're only on 3S though, keep that in mind. So that's it. It's the 3061, the T3061 props from iFlight. They're called Nazgul. Thanks for watching.